Exercise 5.1, problem 13, discussion. Find the length of the medians of the triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 1, 0, 4 and minus 5, 3. So let's draw the diagram. So this is point A, point B, point C, and we are asked to find the median. Median is the line joining vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, right? So let the midpoints be D, E and F. So one median is AD, the other one is BE, the third one will be CF. Okay. And then you're asked to find the length of the median, right? So you'll have to use the distance formula. So the first step will be you'll have to use the section formula and find the midpoints of AB, then BC and AC, right? So by which you will calculate get the coordinates of F, D and E. Once that is done, what you have to do, you have to use the distance formula and calculate the distance between C and E, right? Sorry, C and F, B and E and A and D. That's how this problem needs to be worked out. Right, let's mark the three coordinates are given and we are asked to find the length of the medians. The vertices are given, we are asked to find the length of the medians. There will be two formulas. One is a section formula to calculate the coordinates of D, E, F, and then the distance formula to calculate the length of the medians. Okay, right, the distance formula and the midpoint formula. Okay. Oh, correct. It's not the column mark must be here. Right. It's a midpoint formula. It's not a section formula because it's since it's a midpoint, we do not write the ratio L is to M. It's x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So it's a midpoint formula. Right. Now, what are the steps? So let the vertices be A, B, C, and D, E, F be the midpoints of BC and AC and AB respectively. Okay, so using the midpoint formula mxy equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, find the points D, E, F. So using these two, find the point D. Using these two, find the point E. Using these two, find the point F. Now we have the coordinates of D, E, F. Using the distance formula, calculate the lengths of medians AD, BE and CF. The distance formula, so this will be x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. What does it say? x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, the squares of those numbers, and then add it up and take square root. So use the distance formula and calculate all the length of the three medians. Okay. So it's a simple straightforward substitution problem. But only thing is it's a bit lengthy. You'll have to calculate the midpoints of the three sides. Then you'll have to use the distance formula and calculate three lengths. So it is little lengthy. So please be patient and work it a little slowly so that there is no mistake. Okay, so pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. And then on working, come back and check your working against our solution. The solution. The 3 points are taken as A, B, C, and the midpoint is given by the midpoint formula. The distance formula is used to calculate the distance. So let D be the midpoint of BC. Okay, please refer the figure. So coordinates of D will be x1 plus x2, 0 minus 5 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 4 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this is minus 5 by 2, this is 7 by 2. Right, what is the length of median AD? We have the coordinate now D, so AD will be root of x2 minus x1. So that is 1 minus of minus 5 by 2, so it will become plus 5 by 2. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, and then this will be minus 1 minus 7 by 2 the whole square. Right, so when you simplify, basically you are finding the difference between the two x coordinates and squaring it, and the difference between y coordinates and squaring it. Add both of it and take square root. So this will become take LCM, this will be 7 by 2 the whole square. This will be minus 9 by 2 the whole square. So when you take squares, so this will become 49 by 4, this will become 81 by 4. When you add it up, this is root of 130. This is 130, right? And 130 by 4, so this will become 130 by root 2. Okay, now you have found AD. Do the same for AC. Find the midpoint using this point and this point. Calculate E. So what will be the midpoint? 1 minus 5 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So that is minus 4 by 2, and this is actually 2 by 2. So you will get this as minus 2 and 1. So the coordinate of E is known. E is known. So you will have to find BE. So that will be the difference of the x coordinates. That is 0, 4, 0 minus of minus 2. That will become 0 plus 2 the whole square. 4 minus 1 the whole square. So that is 2 plus 0, that is 2 square, this is 3 square. So 4 plus 3, 19, that is root 13. So that's the length of BE. Do the same procedure for point F. Point F is between these two, right? So it will be 1 plus 0 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So 1 plus 0 by 2 and 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this will be 1 by 2. This will be 3 by 2. That is the point of the coordinates of point F. Now we know this. All you need to do is find the distance. The distance is, we will have to find the difference of the x coordinate, right? So we'll have to find CF. So that will be minus F minus half the whole square. For the y coordinate it will be 3 minus of minus 3 by 2, so it will become 3 plus 3 by 2. So that is 3 2 are 6, 9 by 2. Okay, sorry, this is plus, so that's a mistake here. This is plus sign. Okay, this is plus. So this will be 49 by 4. This will be 81 by 4. When you add up, you get root of 130 by 2. So the lengths of the medians are root of AD is root of 130 by 2, B is root 13, and CF is root of 130 by 2. Okay. So I hope you got the working right. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable corrections. If you have not understood the concept clearly, please go back to the video, the discussion part of the video, and review it. Thanks for watching this video.